Hello viewers, how are you? Hopefully you are fine. In this video, I'm just going to show you the back testing results. Here you can see the accuracy in the gold 5 minute time frame. If you go to the steady tester, here you can see. If you go to the steady tester, I have need to uncheck this. Okay, 74% or you can say 75% accuracy, and I will replay the mode from the last. Here you can see we have today days is 12 October. Here you can see, and we have need to backtest this indicator from 18th number. You can see from the last month or 1 month. I will show you, and you have need to count the trades, how much profitable trades you got and how much lost trade you got. You have need to count. Okay, so in after bar replay mode, you can see the results, and you can watch from your eyes how much profitable trades you can get, how much profit you can get from by using this indicator. Each and everything you have need to watch and count. Okay, first we have need to play the bar replay mode. Here we got the short signal, and due to some slow internet issue, here you can see the bar replay is little bit slow, but here you can see the results. Now hopefully this bar replay mode will help you a lot, and you will see uh, um, you can do easily scalping by using this indicator, king of cobra indicator name. And here you can see the trend indicator as well. It will identify the trend, and so far, okay, this one is profitable, this one is profitable. This trade gave you a very small profit, this is a very good profit, this one is also profit one, this one is also profit one. But there are some trades in which you will get a loss as well. But the good point of this indicator is, here you can see this trade was awesome. When you got the signal, the price was 3653 for, and price goes from 3627. You can see easily $100 movement in the BTC, in the BTC. Okay, and here you can see here you got the short signal now, and it's give you a profit. Like when you got the signal, the price was 3755, market go from 55 to 41, around $14 movement. Here you got when you in the whole scenario, you can see in the back testing, each signal so far is profitable in the gold 5 minute time frame. Every signal is profitable so far. Okay, and we'll show you the if you are doing scalping, okay, then you can see this is also a very good profit. Now when you got the signal, the price for 3785. Okay, from market goes from 3785 to here you can see it's still going downside, and market goes from 85 to 54, around $34 moment. Okay, that is also good one, that is also good one, but this indicator did not give you the profit. Okay, this buy signal did not give you the profit clearly visible. Okay, but the good point is, when you will get loss in the next trade, you will get definitely profit. And you can say in the next trade, you will next trade will cover your loss and the profit as well. Here you can see that is also good one, this is also good one, and this one is also good one. So far we can see only one signal fail, otherwise all signal good one. And here you can see that is also good one for the scalping, that is a good one. Here you can see that is also good one, this is also good one, and this is also good one, and this one is also a very good one. Okay, and here we go again, and let's see more results here. Okay, that is also a scalping, you can get a very small profit, but this profit is not good one. Okay, this signal, this short signal did not give, but just like I mentioned, in the next trade, your loss and the profit recover, or loss recover and the profit in the next trade. Okay, here that one is good one, and this one is the awesome one. Okay, you can see when you got the signal, the price was 3767, and market go from 67 to 3767, 3818. That look awesome, man. Around more than $50 moments over. But this signal did not give you the profit. But just like I mentioned, the beauty of this indicator, when you got the loss, it will give you a very few loss. A very, maybe in few cents you get the loss. Okay. Okay, and you can see in the next trade, here this one is profit one, this one is also a profit one. Okay, now we have reached from we start the board from bar replay mode from I think 22 or maybe 23 December. Okay, now the date is 1 October. Okay, from the last 8 to 9 days you can see we got a very few signals that are in loss. Okay, that is also a not good one. But just like I mentioned, in the next trade your loss and the profit in the next trade. Okay, this one short signal and it's also a very awesome man, that is also a good one. Okay, let's wait for the buy signal. And here we got the buy signal. When the you got the buy signal, the price for 3861 and market go from 61 to 85 or 890. Okay, that is awesome. Okay, that is a quick one. Okay, and here you can see this is also scalping. For the scalping, it is also a very good signal. Okay, and short signal is also good one, that is also awesome. Okay, this is also another one good one. So far you can see only few signals are in lost states. Otherwise it's giving you a very decent accuracy. Okay, and if you need this indicator you can contact me. I will show you the contact details here. Okay, here you can see the indicator. Okay, let me show you the backtesting results as well. Okay, if you need the indicator you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. Here you can see the WhatsApp number. You can also contact me on my Telegram at the rate simplehoga 1. Write 1 at the end must, because there are some fake Telegram channels, so you need to be aware and do not join any fake Telegram channel. Okay, and Gmail simplehoga at the rate gmail.com if you want to contact me on my Gmail. Okay, here you can see the my Gmail simplehoga at the rate gmail.com if you want to contact me on my Gmail. But remember, there are some fake Telegram channels, so you need to be aware and do not join any fake Telegram channel. So from we start the board from 22 or maybe 23 December, and the current date is now 7 October. We just 3 days left, and I show you the results of the last almost one month results. And almost here you can see this is the not a good one signal, but just like I mentioned, the next date you get awesome recovery and the profit as well. Okay, and here you can see this is the awesome one signal. When you got the signal, the price was 3956. Market goes from uh, 34,000 to market goes from 4050 around or 56. Okay, around more than 50 to $60 moment. Okay, now we have reached to 8 October, and today date is 12 October, and 12 October, yes, Sunday, 11 October Saturday, and from 10 October, and we are around on the 9 October. Okay, just one day left. Oh, okay, here you can see the results is look awesome, man. Okay, here you can see the results is very awesome, and you will love this. Okay, we have very near to uh, current date, and let's see, this is a good one signal, that is also a good one, this is also a good one. Okay, from this point from 9 October to 10 October, so far zero fake signal. Okay, but this one is also a fake signal, you can consider this a fake signal. Okay, this is the most recent, and this is actually a fake signal. Okay, otherwise you can see the results is awesome one. Okay, hopefully now you can now it's time to subscribe my channel, and if you need the indicator you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. You can also contact me on my Telegram. Write one at the end if you want to contact me on my Telegram. Gmail simplehoga@gmail.com if you want to contact me on my Gmail. Any query, any question you can ask me, and I give you the best explanation, and hopefully you will love this video as usual. Any question, any query you can ask me for the next video. Bye bye, take care.